Hello everyone, welcome to all. Today we are going to see what is the best way of cutting cake. So do you know, in Denmark, if you see Denmark flag outside the home, then somebody in that home having birthday. In Vietnam, during New Year, everyone will celebrate their birthday. So every country will celebrate birthday in a different way. But the most common thing in birthday is cutting cake. Nowadays, without cake, there is no birthday. But every time we are cutting the cake wrongly. Do you believe that? So let's see. Every time when we cut a cake, we cut it like a triangle shape. But due to some reasons, I can't able to eat the remaining cake. So what I will do, I will keep it in a fridge. When we take next day, the edge of the cake will not be fresh. It will be dry. So it will not be as tasty as the fresh cake. So how to deal with it? Sir Francis Galton, a famous British mathematician, in 1906, he wrote a letter to National Magazine. He said a method of cutting cake we usually follow was not correct. So let's see how. Cut the first piece at the middle of the cake and then you can eat or you can serve to the family. If you can't able to eat the remaining cake, then you just simply join those remaining two pieces and then keep it in the refrigerator. So there is no possibility for the cake to dry. So in next day, if you want to eat the remaining portion, cut the next piece in the middle. So if you can't able to eat the remaining cake, so join those remaining four pieces and keep it in the refrigerator. So if you cut in this way, there is no possibility for the cake to get dry. So you can eat fresh cake every day. So this is the most scientific way of cutting recommended by Sir Francis Galton. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.